Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, but I'm going to tell you guys a story time about what happened at Sephora today. So you guys probably know me from my videos where I go up to Sephora testers and Drunk Elephant and destroy everything. And guys, they saw me do that, right? They're like pretty familiar with my channel since I get like a lot of views and like a lot of nice reactions from you guys where I like, make skincare smoothies. Like in the Sephora testers, even though I have like a lot at home. But this was a time where I went into a Sephora and they told me that I can't use any of the testers because they saw my channel and they recognized me. Of course they recognize me. I have like literally 68 subscribers. But they said they know me and like they know me from my videos I make about like, destroying the testers, and they were like being such brats about it. I swear to God. They said there has to be like an adult supervising me or like a parent to make sure I don't destroy like all the testers, because that's what I always do. But like seriously, they should understand I'm just like any other customer there. And so I hate when they give like products to old people. Like they don't need it. Like I need that retinol anti-aging cream, not them. Like they're such brats. And also I went to Sephora today, and then as I was getting supervised, right, I went to the glow recipe section, and this old grandma, like legit, like grabbed the last retinol serum, like from Drunk Elephant. Like, are you kidding me? And my mom told me I couldn't get 5 glow recipe donors. Like, are you kidding me? So now I'm stuck using like literally a Thayer's. Anyway, while nobody was looking, I went into this section and I started using some more Drunk Elephant testers. Because I wanted to make some preppy videos of me like opening them all up and like putting like the piggy deodorant from Drunk Elephant all over the what do you call it? The how do you say it? Polypeptide, or I forgot how you say it. Poly-tie-dye cream, I think so, like that. So yeah, I'm literally so sick of all Sephora workers, and I'm going on a trip, so I might not be posting that much because honestly it's so embarrassing. I'm going to the Bahamas. Like, that's so gross, guys. Ew. And so I probably won't be filming much of that. But yeah. Also, my sister, literally, she asked me to get her something after all she bought me was a few things. Literally, this is all she got me, look. Like, I literally asked her for a ton of other things, and this is all she got. Like, she missed a few things. Like, excuse me, I needed my anti-aging serum, because I don't want to be, like, all wrinkly like her. Anyway, so, I hope she doesn't expect that I get her something, because, like, that's so annoying. It's literally all she got me. But, like, she told me that, like, some Lululemon will be coming, but, like, who cares, honestly? Like, she probably will only get me, like, 10 stuff instead of 11, so no gift for her. Also, I asked her for the Biggie Bum Bum Cream. What is that? Sweetie, your grandma died. Oh my God, Mom, I'm coming. Oh gosh. So annoying.